start tutorial for slab building. One of the most versatile techniques in pottery and working with clay. You don't need much. You obviously need your clay, you need a rolling pin. I suggest a couple of pencils or something perhaps a little bit thicker that you can use as guides. Tools that are required, you would need a sponge, a kidney, and something to cut your clay with, should it be a wooden tool. A kitchen knife is fine as well, or a needle tool. To start, you'll just need to open up your clay. Depending on how long it's been in its bag, it may have some condensation on the outside, so it's always a good idea just to give it a quick knead before you start. From here, we just want to flatten it out a little bit, just pressing down with your palm, rotating as you go. Then taking a rolling pin, start to roll your clay out, pushing away from you as you roll. When you get closer to the thickness of your pencils, place those down either side of your clay piece, just so that you have a consistent slab all the way through. So taking your kidney, you just want to press down on the clay and compress it, tidying up any little cracks as you go. Sometimes you can find that you might get a little bubble in your clay, and to address that, all you need to do is go through with a needle tool or something sharp and just pop that bubble and then smooth back over. And then we're ready to use our slab.